Question 7 is a geometric one, and we've got P is equal to 0.01 as the null hypothesis, and the alternative hypothesis is that it's greater than 0.01 at a 5% level. Under H0, X is a geometric with the probability 0.01. Find the critical region. Oh, we were allowed to not do it once, but we've got to do it again. So the geometric, and it's going to be a less than 1, greater than 0.01 means we're going to take less goes to do it. Oh look, we have that enormous number from when we had in a previous exercise. So we want this to be 0.05 in here, and it's telling me that the probability that X is less than or equal to 6 is 0.0585. That's too big. Change it 1 down, and so the probability that X is less than or equal to 5 is just less than 5%. So we'll put the calculator aside for a minute and start thinking. So the critical region is X is less than or equal to 5. The probability of that happening is 0.045, so a type 1 error is 0.049. That is the same as the size of the test. The size of the test is 0.049. A type 2 error would be the probability of X is greater than or equal to 6, so not rejecting it given that H0 was false. And we would need to know what P was for that, and they've told us that it's 0.2. And so the probability of a type 2 error is just, back to the calculator there, just change that to a 0.02. No, not 0.02, 0.2. And I want greater than 6. Greater than or equal to 6. Yeah. And that is 0.3276. So that's the chance of making that error, but the opposite of that, 1 minus that, is the power of the test. The power of the test then is 0.6724. And thinking again, why is that? So that is the chance of correctly rejecting this. So you correctly reject it, which is when it's less than or equal to 5 from the 0.2, and there it is, 0.0. Oh, it's 23. Rounding error again. The power of the test is the probability that X is less than or equal to 5. So we did reject it. We're in the critical region given that P equals 0.2. And there.